Mathematical problems of standard 4. The number which is neither prime nor composite is 1. The number of common factors of two numbers is definite. A composite number has at least 3 factors. The length of a rectangular table is greater than its width. Question number 5. The difference between an even number and an odd number is odd. Second is a unit of time measurement. The place value and face value of a digit in a number are equal when the digit is at the 0 place. (609 months) is equal to how many years and months? Show the calculation. 609 divided by 12 is 50 years and 9 months. Question number 9. 2708 centimeters is equal to how many meters and centimeters? Show the calculation. 2708 divided by 100 is equal to 27 meters and 8 centimeters. Your father will buy 5 saris priced at 790 rupees each and 3 dhotis priced at 435 rupees each. How much money will he need in total? Your father has 4560 rupees. How much more money does he need? Money needs in total 790 into 5 plus 435 into 3. 3950 plus 1305 rupees 5255. More money needed is rupees 5255 minus 4560 is rupees 695. Thanks.